I'm Greg Grunhout, CAMO Product Manager. I want to show you our latest innovation, the CAMO Wedge and Wedge Metal Clip. The fastest, easiest hidden deck clips for any groove deck board at any angle in any environment. This little guy right here is incredibly versatile, engineered to wedge into the groove of the deck board. It's warranted for use with all leading groove deck boards, creates any deck pattern, and uses a 3/16 stainless steel screw and gusset for use in the most corrosive environments. Environments like coastal or marine waterways and decks and docks exposed to corrosive agents. We also have a version that works with 14 to 18 gauge metal substructure. Wedge Metal has a 410 stainless steel self-drilling metal screw and a 305 stainless steel gusset. Now let me show you how easy it is to install with just one hand. Tilt the wedge clip so that the lower prongs enter the groove first, push down, then tilt the clip back up into the groove, and repeat. Once you have one at each joist, slide your next board. The clips stay securely in place. Check to see that the clips are lined up on the joist. If not, no problem. The wedge clip easily slides back and forth in the groove. Once you have several rows of clips and boards, you'll need to lock them in place for fastening. Have a crew member hold the last board in place, or go hands-free with the CAMO lever. The idea here is to add just enough pressure to allow the clips to set a consistent gap. The wedge clip creates a perfect 3/16 spacing between the boards. Now that your boards are locked in, you can quickly and easily fasten the boards down. Included in the 900 and 450 count pails is our patented Never Miss guide and T15 driver bit. Attach the bit to your cordless drill and set the torque to 30%. Notice I said drill. We do not recommend using impact drivers to install CAMO clips. Start at the last board in the row. Then take the Never Miss guide and put it directly over the screw. It has small tabs that will fit between the boards. Hold it flat to the boards with one hand and screw it down with the other. Repeat down the line. If you want to go even faster, you can use the CAMO clip drive and fasten our clips standing up. The Wedge Metal Clip follows the exact same install process. There you have it. One clip for any board, any pattern, any environment, and any substructure. The CAMO Wedge and Wedge Metal hidden deck clips. The better way to build a deck.